Talagang pupunta tayo dyan. Tapos ito po. Picture taking muna guys. Ayan. Selfie daw. One, two. Ito yung picture namin. Tinuturuan ko kami mag-TikTok. Pero paano pa yung step? One by one naman para maano namin. Wala! Ayun na po sila guys. Pakyat sila. Papunta kami ng Goddess Anastasia. May backyard garden. May papaya, may sayote, may patola po guys. Ayan.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to
This way po yung papunta ng Goddess of Anastasia. Just the three of us guys. Yan yung mga kasama ko.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in
Just
my
wait me.
arms,
So,
boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
ba't nakapayong ako sa may lilim talaga?
Arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so
Tara na.
bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart.
Mapek!
No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love
This is the statue of Goddess
telling me it's right.
Ama
When you came to me,
ng
COLOANE guys, yan. Nung nakaraan na pumunta kami dito madilim. Pero ngayon, so bright! Sulit na sulit talaga. Ayan po guys. So bright. That is HAKSA Beach. That is the HAKSA Beach.
Do you want to know? I think I knew about you. The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and
Inscription of Ama Statue of Mountain Depth Sectong in COLOANE, Macau. Ama, patroness of seamen, fishermen, and merchants, is a Taoist goddess Ama, literally meaning mother in Chinese. Is also known as Tin Ho, Empress of Heaven, Macho, and Neong Ma. Her name is similar to that of Macau. Ama was born to the Lin fishing family in Fujian province in the year AD 1960. She was a gentle, beautiful maiden who demonstrated admirable virtues and sacred powers from childhood. She dedicated her life to guiding the voyage of sailors and merchants, even rescuing them from stormy waters. She has been worshipped for centuries, and even nowadays, her kind deeds are remembered in the provinces of Fujian and Guangdong. Legend relates that Ama also protected fishermen and merchants who sailed to Macau in gratitude for her protection from the perils of the sea. A temple was erected in her honor on Bara Hill, and she was worshipped her long before the Portuguese arrived. When the Portuguese settled her, they called the land Macau, meaning the birth of Ama. Besides historical and mythical reasons, belief in Ama plays a very important role during Chinese New Year. Crowds of followers flock to the temple to thank Ama for her protection and to pray for a peaceful life. The charisma of this goddess has bolstered the confidence of those living here to introduce developments in this united community, Macau. has thus served as a safe shelter for the people living here since it opened as a port. This crucial time as Macau reverts to Chinese sovereignty is most opportune for creating the world's highest statue of Ama on the summit of COLOANE's highest mountain. This statue weighs 1,000 tons and stands 19.99 meters high. It is fashioned from white jade from Fangshan in Beijing. 120 sculptors worked for 8 months to produce it. Cultural Institute of Macau, 28th of October 1990.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling